Before you begin, remove the top cover, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, wireless LAN module, GPU fan, and CPU fan. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the thermal sensor cable for later replacement. Disconnect the thermal sensor cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the thermal sensor cable from the routing channel between the chassis and system board. Remove the thermal sensor cable from the retention clip on the chassis and remove it. Replacement. Connect the thermal sensor cable into the connector on the system board. Route the thermal sensor cable through the routing channel between the chassis and system board. Replace the thermal sensor cable into the retention clip on the chassis.